Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. How to make a beautiful shape editing on Pixel Lab in easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, remove the background, select the orange color, select the text, edit, select another shape, size the shape, change the color. Then select another shape, change the color, adjust the shape. Duplicate the shape, select the color filter, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.